Good evening. So, previous part we discussed microeconomics and that introduction of economy. So, already I'm going to explain so micro concept, the meaning, basic problems, and the micro and positive and normative signs. So now we'll start the macro, that is the second part. Under macro, the first we explain meaning, then importance of macroeconomics, then scope, and then so what is the difference between micro and macro? So why the consumer or students study macroeconomics? Because the micro economics study only individual part of the economy, individually. For example, individual consumer. So how individual consumer going to purchase quantity of commodity and how he get the maximum level of satisfaction by consume individually. So in micro we are understood only individually and personally, but macro consider aggregate either total. So in economically we say aggregate either total, either whole part of the economy. So our economists they make two parts. So first is the micro and second is the macro for our convenience of study. So that's why we'll study macroeconomics. So macro derived from Greek word macros. In macros means aggregate, either total, either big, either whole. So macroeconomics studies whole part of the economy. So whole part of the economy means at a time it consider entire economy. Entire economy means that is agriculture, either individually, either industry, either service sector, either Indian economy, either world economy, either another economy, another country's economy. So at a time it consider entire economic activities. So that's why the macroeconomics deals whole part of the economy. So whole part of the economy, example, aggregate demand. Under micro, we consider individually. Individual consumer is going to market, he purchase individually at different price, at different quantity also. For example, per kilo tomato, 20 rupees means he purchase only 1 kilo, either 2 kilo. But aggregate means, so how many consumer enter to the market, so different consumer they purchase different quantities at different price. So that is the demand. So how many consumer require the particular commodity. The simultaneously aggregate supply means different industry either firm or different seller they supplying different quantity for different market. So at a time, so how many firm they are supplying different quantity to market. And then national income. So micro is considered only individually the personal income, either per capita income. But national income it is considered the total value of final goods and services for agriculture, industry and service sector. The simultaneously we we calculate agriculture, industry and service sector income and the production and particular period of time, that is called national income. At a time we consider total. So we adding one by one commodity, either quantity, either farms, either income, either expenditure. So that is called whole part of the economy. So we give a more importance to macroeconomics, because the macroeconomics, it gives the clear picture of the economic. So why then we are studying macroeconomics? So one side macroeconomics study the meaning of economy, means whole part of the economy. So whole part of the economy, what is either what type of economic activity including in the economy. So for example, it's a national income. So national income, that is income of the consumer, either income of the person, either income of the community, either income of the society. But national income, it is the country's income. It refers to the total value of all final goods and services, during a particular years. So not only it refers to national income, it includes per capita income, personal disposable income, net national income, net domestic income. So it refers different concept of the economy. That's why we study national income, we give an importance to macroeconomics. The second, international trade, either international economy. So international economy, so each country participating to export and import, either BOP, balance of payment. Under world economy and the foreign economy, those countries participating to international trade, that economy received the maximum facilities. So how we receive the facility from advanced country, either both simultaneously countries, means equal countries, either poor countries, either international institutions like IMF, IBRD, SARC and ADB, Asian Development Bank. So these international institutions, also including WTO, World Trade Organization, it gives the priority to those countries participating to international trade, either purchasing, either selling, either receiving the income, either services. So it gives the clarity of the economic conditions. So that's why we give one more importance to international trade. So next, it refers public finance. So generally we say public finance means the government and income, either expenditures, either local government and state government and the central government, either any government. So how that government gives the maximum facility for the public. So how it collects income in the form of tax, like wealth tax, income tax, either corporate tax, either GST, either VAT, either any other taxes. So whatever they collect, that income, the same income again they spend on different projects, that is expenditure, public expenditure. It is not possible to collect revenue and expenditure. So directly the government collect, either receive loan from internally, either external. Like external means international institutions. Okay. So now I'll stop. So tomorrow I'm going to continue, because suppose a given continuous explanation means we can't understand the macroeconomic variables. So that's why I given three importance. So first one is the national income, second is the international trade, third one is the public finance. So tomorrow I'm going to explain another point. Okay. So if you like that explanation, either example and the macroeconomic variables, then please press our bell button and subscribe our channel and share. And compliment means any doubts, either anything is there means you share, either you directly contact or mobile number, I will give the solution. Okay, please subscribe our channel and share and to send your comment. Okay, thank you.